Hi, this is Sandy. I'm here for the Open Collab #Embellishments with Friends 2025, hosted by Miss Crafty Girl 42 and Crafty Grandma. And this month, we're able to make whatever we want to for our embellishments. And we are to make one each week, but you can make more if you want to. So you can see I've got a bunch for this week. This month, I've really been trying to use up bits and pieces that I have in my stash. And so that was the case with these flowers. I had a bunch of die cuts out of scraps, and then other bits and pieces. So for instance, on this one, I just took a bunch of the different shapes that I had and layered them together and then used a brad for the center of the flower. On this one, I there again took a bunch of different scraps and different shapes and put them together into a flower and used a button for the center of that flower. This one is the same thing, except for the center, I just used a small stamped flower shape that I had. This is a bigger one, but it has a brad for the center on it. This one had some scallops that I put together, and then on the top of it, I put this paper rose that I had. This is another one where it has an embossed flower shape on it for the top, and then a little bling in the center for the center of the flower. This one has another brad, except it was in a flower shape, so that was kind of fun. Another one with a button. This one is actually a sticker, and I had some gold glitter that I scalloped that I put on the bottom, and then this is kind of a fabric type of flower that I had in my stash, and then this was a plastic flower that I had that came with this purple kind of brad in the center. And so I just put that on top of these other two layers to make this flower. And then this was another one where I used a circle and then put a scallop behind it. And on the circle, these are two pieces of paper cut in half that are just mounted on there. And then I took a little flower, paper flower that I had in my stash, and glued it on the side of that. So these are some flower embellishments that gave me a chance to use up some odds and ends in my stash and put some different things together. So those are my embellishments for this week. Thank you for watching.